Racing just is started. We have Tiger Repeat. Hokey Hawk moving up on the outside. Gracious House. Kiss Me. Chanzan Dior. You Belong to Me comes next. Shuttler's Treasure. Lady Jaja comes next. Hard Way while Simple Beauty is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Kiss Me. Hokey Hawk is down on the inside. Tiger Repeat. Chanzan Dior in the middle. You Belong to Me out wide. Then next on the now is Shuttler's Treasure. Gracious House, Lady Jaja, Simple Beauty, while Hard Way now racing in last. And as they swing down the back, we have Kiss Me by a bar length Eddie Hop. And in second is Hokey Hawk, Chanzan Dior in third. Tiger Repeat is down in fourth. You Belong to Me, Shuttler's Treasure. Gracious House comes next, Lady Jaja, Hard Way, while Simple Beauty now racing in last. And at the fourth turn we have Kiss Me, this time by about 4 lengths. Hokey Hawk in second, Tiger Repeat in third. Moving up on the outside now is Chanzan Dior, Shuttler's Treasure, You Belong to Me, Gracious House, Hard Way also moving up. And as they swing for home, we have Kiss Me, this time by about 4 lengths. And in second is Hokey Hawk, Shuttler's Treasure is down in third. Last 100 meters, we have Kiss Me, followed by Hokey Hawk, Shuttler's Treasure. And finally, it's Kiss Me. Second is Hokey Hawk, Shuttler's Treasure, Simple Beauty, Hard Way. Then comes You Belong to Me.
All right.